How to make homemade Arabian Kunafa with Kiwi Mint Cooler, Iftar and Ramadan special. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we're diving into the heart of Ramadan with a special treat, homemade Arabian Kunafa paired with a refreshing Kiwi Mint Cooler. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this recipe is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of tradition to their iftar table. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for our homemade Arabian Kunafa. 1. 500 grams Kunafa dough, shredded phyllo dough. 2. 1 cup unsalted butter, melted. 3. 1 cup finely chopped pistachios. 4. 1 cup finely chopped walnuts. 5. 1 cup sugar. 6. 1 cup water. 7. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 8. 1 tablespoon rose water. For the Kiwi Mint Cooler. 1. 4 ripe kiwis, peeled and diced. 2. Half cup fresh mint leaves. 3. 4 cups cold water. 4. 1/4 cup honey. 5. Ice cubes. Now, let's start by preparing our kunafa. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Step 2. In a large bowl, combine the shredded kunafa dough with the melted butter. Mix well until the dough is evenly coated. Step 3. Grease a baking dish with some butter. Then, spread half of the kunafa dough evenly on the bottom of the dish, pressing it down gently. Step 4. Sprinkle the chopped pistachios and walnuts evenly over the layer of kunafa dough. Step 5. Cover the nuts with the remaining kunafa dough, pressing it down gently again. Step 6. Bake the kunafa in the preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. While our kunafa is baking, let's prepare the sugar syrup. Step 7. In a saucepan, combine the sugar, water, and lemon juice. Stir well and bring to a gentle boil over medium heat. Step 8. Once the sugar has dissolved completely and the syrup has slightly thickened, remove it from the heat and stir in the rose water. Now, let's move on to our refreshing Kiwi Mint Cooler. Step 9. In a blender, combine the diced kiwis, fresh mint leaves, cold water, and honey. Blend until smooth. Step 10. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or seeds. Step 11. Pour the Kiwi Mint mixture into a pitcher and refrigerate until chilled. Our kunafa is golden brown and crispy, and our sugar syrup is ready. Let's finish up. Step 12. Once the kunafa is out of the oven, immediately pour the cooled sugar syrup evenly over the hot kunafa, allowing it to soak in. Step 13. Let the kunafa cool for a few minutes before slicing it into squares or diamonds. Step 14. Serve the warm kunafa on a platter, garnished with some extra chopped pistachios and a sprinkle of powdered sugar if desired. Step 15. Pour the chilled Kiwi Mint Cooler into glasses filled with ice cubes and garnish with a mint sprig. And there you have it, homemade Arabian Kunafa paired with a refreshing Kiwi Mint Cooler, perfect for your iftar table this Ramadan. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. This delicious treat with your loved ones. Ramadan Mubarak. Ma salama.